7 steps to writing your own self-improvement plan. Everyone would want to improve something in their life, whether it's their family relationships, health, income, or professional achievements. Unfortunately, not many people are successful when it comes to achieving their self-improvement goals. This is often due to not having a simple but concrete plan in the first place or setting goals that are way above their abilities. In this video, we will discuss about 7 steps to writing your own self-improvement plan. So before we start talking about the topic, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's start the video. No one, set yourself goals. The first step is to set yourself goals. Think about what you want to achieve, whether that's within a few weeks, within a year, or over your lifetime. Deciding what you want is not only the first step in planning, it's also the hardest. Once you've figured out what you want to do, that goal will provide clear direction and a structure for your resulting plan. At this stage, your goals will feel big. You might be wondering how you are ever going to achieve them. Don't worry, the next step is to prioritize and turn those goals into smaller, actionable steps that will support you on your way to achieving them. Note 2. Prioritizing your goals. Now that you have your goals, the next stage is to break them down into smaller steps. When doing this, it's important that your goals are specific. Avoid large, ambiguous steps. These won't support you on your way to achieving your goals. Instead, make sure that your goals are specific and clearly highlight the skill, knowledge, or experience you want to develop. Measurable. You need to be able to monitor and reflect on your progress. Therefore, your goals need to be measurable, such as by setting a goal to develop your SEO knowledge with a measurable target of growing your website traffic by a set, defined percentage. Attainable. Your goals need to be achievable and realistic. You need to think about if it is something you can realistically achieve with the time and resources you have. If not, you will likely be setting yourself up for failure. Relevant. It's important to keep your overall goal in mind and make sure that every step you take is supporting you to achieve it. You don't want to be spending time doing things that don't get you where you want to go. Time-bound. Set yourself key targets to achieve and deadlines in which to achieve them. This will help you stay focused on achieving your goals. However, it's important to make sure you are realistic in what you can achieve in any given period. Don't try to achieve everything all at once. It's unrealistic and you won't be setting yourself up well to achieve them. Remember that personal development is a journey. Your PD plan can continue to grow and develop as you take those steps towards your goals. Note 3. Set yourself deadlines. Knowing when you want to achieve a goal is crucial, and picturing your future is an important source of motivation and inspiration. Having goals and a set deadline will drive your motivation to achieve them. For example, if your goal is to buy a home, knowing when you want to achieve it will help you calculate exactly how much money you need to save each year in order to get your deposit. The same is true for your skills, knowledge, and experience development. As mentioned above, setting realistic and time-bound goals are essential to achieving them. Note 4. Recognize threats and opportunities. When considering your goals, you should identify your own strengths, consider areas of weakness you can develop, look at the opportunities available to support you in achieving your goals, and any threats that may hinder you in your progress. This is called a SWOT analysis. Note that these threats may be external or they may be core skills that you can develop as part of your PDP. For example, a lack of motivation could hinder your plans to apply for a FD. However, once you've identified your tendency to procrastinate or lose focus, you can put in place methods that will keep you motivated. Note 5. Develop yourself. Once you have an idea of what could help or hinder you, this is when you can capitalize on those opportunities you recognize. Make an action plan about how you'll make that progress. Whatever it is that hinders you, there's a way to stop it. Your plan is the first step to making sure you stay on track. So why not take a look at how to upskill yourself, develop transferable skills in today's rapidly changing jobs market, or even discover an online learning opportunity. Note 6. Use your support network. The next thing you need to realize is that you don't have to do everything by yourself, and you shouldn't. The support network around you is a valuable asset, so use it and don't underestimate it. In your PDP, list the people who can help you. This could be a financial advisor, a friend, or a colleague. People are often so happy to help you more than you might realize. Note 7. Review progress. To measure your progress and the efficiency of your action plan, hold daily, weekly, bi-weekly, and monthly self-evaluations. In every one of those, ask yourself if you are genuinely working towards your goals. If you feel any time that you are not making positive progress, feel free to change your action plan or move your deadlines. Most importantly, do not be too negative or critical of yourself. Missing a few milestones does not make you a failure, nor does being unable to complete your target. What matters is to try. Self-improvement or personal development is a continuous process that only ends when life ends. To improve your living conditions as well as your mental, physical, and social health, you need to continually seek upward progression. Having a self-improvement plan helps you to better understand yourself, your needs, and the strategies that you should follow to get preferred results. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, click the like and the bell buttons. We'll have another video for you soon. Take care until then.